Ever wondered how this technology helps you enjoy YouTube to the fullest? The answer lies in the harmony between cutting-edge technology and the world's favorite video sharing platform. This technology, or it for short, is not just a buzzword, it's an integral part of the YouTube experience, working tirelessly to make it more personalized, engaging and safe for you. How, you might ask? It is the unsung hero that helps YouTube swiftly eliminate inappropriate or harmful content. It's like a vigilant guardian ensuring that your viewing experience remains unmarred by objectionable content. But that's not all. It also plays a crucial role in shaping your YouTube journey, understanding your interests and tailoring the content you see to your unique tastes. In essence, it is the invisible conductor orchestrating your YouTube journey, making sure that every video you watch is a step towards a more enjoyable and safe digital experience. Without even realizing it, it is working diligently behind the scenes to make your YouTube experience safe and enjoyable. Did you know? This system plays a crucial role in safeguarding the YouTube community. It's the silent guardian that works tirelessly behind the scenes, ensuring your experience on the platform remains positive and safe. This is all thanks to a complex network of system algorithms, trained to identify and swiftly remove any content that goes against YouTube's community guidelines. This isn't a static process. These algorithms are continuously learning and evolving, becoming more efficient with each passing day. They're to scan millions of videos, flagging potentially harmful content in real time. From hate speech to misinformation, this system is instrumental in maintaining the integrity of the platform. But it's more than just a content moderator. This system also helps in creating a safer environment for creators, preventing the misuse of their content and protecting their intellectual property rights. So the next time you're on YouTube, remember, this system is your silent guardian. This tool's role on YouTube is multifaceted. It's not just about moderation, but also about driving innovation and enhancing video creativity. Consider this example. You're a vlogger, they're sitting in their bedroom, and then they're suddenly in the heart of a bustling city, or even in outer space. This is the magic of real-time background, a feature enabled by this tool. This technology empowers creators to push the boundaries of their content, adding an extra layer of visual appeal to their videos. It's like having a Hollywood-grade special effects studio at their disposal. So when we say this tool is revolutionizing YouTube, we're referring to its ability to maintain safety, enhance aesthetic appeal, and make the platform more exciting. Ever wondered why the up next videos are so hard to resist? Well, you can thank this feature for that. This feature is the lifeblood of YouTube's recommendation engine, working tirelessly behind the scenes to understand your viewing habits and preferences. It analyzes your watch history, the videos you've liked, shared, and even the ones you've skipped. This feature is the lifeblood of YouTube's recommendation engine, working tirelessly behind the scenes to understand your habits and preferences. This also considers what's trending, what others with similar tastes are watching, and a whole lot more. By synthesizing all this information, it can predict and suggest videos that not only match your interests, but also introduce you to new content you might love. So, this feature doesn't just work to keep YouTube safe and creative, it also ensures you find the content you love.